Your Weekend Gardener here with Evie. What's up?
Hi guys.
Okay, fruit we have for the taste test. It's called a lady apple.
Ooh, oh, so cute.
Yellowish green with a red blush. This one has more blush.
And tiny.
And tiny, yes. Can you smell it?
Don't. Is that far away? It's my apple. But far away.
Maçã.
Maçã. In Brazil we call maçã.
Maçã in Brazil. M-A-C-A with a top of it. What you jumping for?
He's scared me.
You're always barking. That's not scary.
It's not scary in the right word, but
Startled.
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 Starred.
See guys.
This is an apple.
Yeah. Right.
Now, it could taste sweet or it could taste sour like a Granny Smith.
Now I sweet sour. Sour.
Okay, so it's going to be sour according to the nose.
You know something about it.
No.
Because you smell, you're smiling.
Oh, I'm always smiling.
Okay, let's check and see. Crunchiness. This word exists, crunchiness.
Very crunchy. It's like potato chips. I think you'll like it.
I love them.
Of course.
I love them.
You found the
sour, but it's very tasty. My number is 10.
Oh, that is crazy. Well, I don't think it's a 10.
Wow. Very good, baby.
You want to hear something funny?
Funny to eat because it's sour
No.
and crunchy.
Can you believe these apples were $6 a pound?
Ridiculous.
$6 a pound.
Too much?
Grow your own food, people.
Yes, exactly.
Because it's getting ridiculous out here buying food. I mean,
Exactly.
we have to eat. So why not just grow your own stuff? At least take something off your grocery list. Because this is crazy. $6?
What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
Has a slight tartness. No sweetness at all. Moist.
But it's
Crunchy.
interesting.
This is a good apple.
Yes. Very good. Your number?
I give it a 7.
7.
Would I buy this again? If I saw less than $6, I would. $6 a pound, yes, I'll buy it. Would I grow it as a tree? If I can find the tree,
Oh yeah, let's save the seed.
No, that's not gonna work. Saving the seeds ain't gonna work. But yeah, so you heard it here. The maçã.
Maçã.
It's pretty good. And this is the lady. I'm not sure if it's part of the pink lady family.
Maybe.
You know what the pink lady?
Yeah.
The other apple I bought.
Yeah, I know. Pink lady.
Okay.
It's very good too.
So that's a 7 and that's a
10.
10. Your Weekend Gardener Evie. And we didn't get no begging, so I guess he doesn't like it.
He's tired.
He's still greedy. It don't matter if he's tired.
Yes, exactly.
All right, folks.
Bye, guys.
Peace.
O meu que é maçã.
Like, comment, subscribe, share.
Oh, yeah. Don't forget, people.
Yeah. Throw me a bone. Throw me a bone. Throw me a bone.
It's free. It's free. It's easy. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Peace out.